me. She put my heart beneath her feet. She turned and left the question, what's my word? I got it hurts, I can't be calm. What do I do?
A lot of it's all on me. Hang up the phone, opportunity calling me. Why can't I give an apology? Rich with love, but around me it feels like idolatry.
Everything I ever needed.
What you trying to protect me from? I'm just trying to have some fun. But when we wake in the morning, stuck in a corner, and chase them all away.
I got a heart made of fool's gold, got me feeling so cold. You keep chipping away. All the promises that I told felt like I was on those. They keep slipping away. Said you come right back, and then you gone like that. A blank stare as I stand so alone.
Fears good for profit. Deregulate the casket. They're lying to the masses. How much will it take till you get back?
You, when your heart was broke, I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd
whispered promises in the chill of dawn. We traded secrets as our shadows watched.
I am at home, I got my back against the wall, I feel hella alone. I got no one to call and I'm still on my own because no one's involved. Tell me, where do I go when everything falls? Damn, I guess that's why I'm making this song. Yeah, I just sit and reflect on every single thing that went wrong.
There now, steady love. So few come and don't go.
cause I just wanna die. Suicide knows right here by my side, baby. I just wanna die. Help me find my purpose, baby. Help me stay alive.
Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Pull me close, show me, baby, where the light is. I was scared of a private, couldn't silence. But you made me feel good. I like it. Born on the wrong side of the ocean, with all the tides against you.
Smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. As he goes left and you stay right between the lines.
Do you remember feeling invincible? When there was trouble, it was us against the world.
used to be scared of dying alone. Now I know there's nothing to be afraid of. I don't wanna waste life waiting around for weddings and funerals. I still can't believe what happened. I thought I'd see you again, with a joint or a drink in your hand. Now you're